At Starbucks, they sell these egg bites, right? They're $5 for two. They're pretty good. We get them for a snack sometimes. But lately, well, in the last 2 months, Sol has really found that these egg bites are so good to him to where he knows what the package looks like now. So anyways, that's not such a good thing. But so Sol and I, in the mornings, about 3 or 4 times a week, we go to the park, and it was becoming a bad habit of going to Starbucks and getting coffee and then getting these egg bites for him so I could feed him at the park while we're at the park, because Sol and I we come to parks because Bria's doing yoga at home. We give her a few hours to herself, that way she can get her head together, and so meanwhile Sol and I come out here and have a good time at the park, and he loves you. He wants more. That means he wants more. But he's fast. Anyway, so Bria decided to make egg bites instead. So for $5, you can make like 2 dozen egg bites, and she looked up some recipes. I mean, there's some out there, but we're saving like a lot of money, and now we could save up for Sol's college tuition. And wow, he loves these egg bites. Huh, buddy, you like these? So we put them in these. We have a bunch of these little jars, and we're able to make some that will last us the whole week, you know? And we're really glad that we have the internet to be able to find recipes to do our own healthy snacks, to make our own healthy snacks. So is he. Huh, yeah.